premium stainless steel outdoor kitchen, designed for style, convenience, and ultimate cooking performance. Built with high-quality stainless steel, this all-in-one cooking station is durable, weather-resistant, and perfect for backyard parties, patio gatherings, and family BBQs. This versatile outdoor kitchen features a powerful BBQ grill cooktop for perfectly seared meats and delicious grilled dishes, along with a built-in sink for easy cleaning and food prep. The integrated refrigerator keeps your drinks. Upgrade your outdoor space with this premium customized patio 304 stainless steel outdoor kitchen cabinet system designed for durability, style, and ultimate functionality. Built from high-grade 304 stainless steel, this modular outdoor kitchen is resistant to rust, corrosion, and harsh weather, making it perfect for year-round outdoor cooking and entertaining. The modular design allows you to customize your setup to fit any patio, backyard, or garden layout, whether you're creating a full outdoor cooking station or a compact grilling corner. Each unit integrates seamlessly for a sleek, modern look. Spacious cabinets provide ample storage for cookware, utensils, and grilling essentials, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance even in demanding outdoor conditions. Engineered for convenience, these cabinets feature smooth surfaces for easy cleaning, reinforced frames for added stability, and weather-resistant finishes that maintain their shine over time. Ideal for BBQ enthusiasts and outdoor entertainers. This kitchen system transforms your patio into a professional-grade cooking space. Key features: premium 304 stainless steel construction for superior durability, modular design for flexible customization, weather-resistant, rust-proof, and easy-to-maintain spacious storage cabinets for organized cooking, strong and sturdy structure for long-term outdoor use, modern, sleek design that enhances any patio setting. Create the ultimate outdoor cooking experience with a kitchen setup that combines performance, elegance, and reliability. Transform your outdoor space into a premium culinary retreat with this customized modular weatherproof enclosed shelter with Outdoor Kitchen Pavilion. Designed for luxury, durability, and modern aesthetics, this all-in-one prefab solution combines sleek aluminum cabinetry with a fully enclosed pavilion, perfect for year-round outdoor cooking and entertaining. Crafted from high-grade, rust-resistant aluminum, the cabinet set offers exceptional strength while maintaining a clean, contemporary look. The modular design allows you to customize the layout to fit your space, whether it's a backyard patio, garden, or rooftop. With smart storage compartments, integrated workspace, and seamless finishes, it delivers both functionality and elegance. The enclosed shelter provides protection from harsh weather conditions, including rain, wind, and intense sunlight, ensuring a comfortable cooking experience in any season. Large glass panels or optional ventilation features maintain airflow and visibility, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings with family and friends. This luxury outdoor kitchen pavilion is ideal for those who value convenience, style, and long-lasting performance. Whether hosting BBQ nights or enjoying quiet outdoor meals, it elevates your lifestyle.